Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Today let's prepare Ragi Pudina Khakra. Crispy, light on tummy, a perfect healthy snack. Looks yummy, right? Let's quickly start. For this you need 2 tablespoons of crushed dry pudina or mint leaves. If you do not have dry pudina or mint leaves, you can use finely chopped fresh mint leaves. 2 teaspoon oil, 1 cup wheat flour, 2 tablespoon gram flour, 1.5 cup of ragi flour. I have roasted this ragi flour on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not add oil or ghee while roasting. To a bowl, add 1.5 cup roasted ragi flour. Add 1 cup of wheat flour, two tablespoon gram flour or besan, 2 tablespoon crushed dry pudina or mint leaves or even finely chopped mint leaves, 1/4 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon oil. Salt as per taste. Give a nice mix to all these dry ingredients. Gram flour gives that crispiness and roasted ragi flour helps our khakra to be light. Gradually add water and knead the dry ingredients. Knead this well to form a binded dough. Knead it in a similar way as you knead for your regular chapatis or rotis. Let the dough be a little stiffer than your regular chapati or roti dough. Now our khakra dough is ready. Keep it aside for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our dough is set. Now, grease the dough with 1/4 teaspoon oil and knead it well. Knead it again to form a soft dough. Now let's roll the khakras. Take a medium sized ball from the dough, dust using rice flour and then start rolling the khakra. Do not worry about the rough edges as we will be cutting them off. Roll it thinner than your regular chapati, fulka or rotis. The thinner you roll, the crispier the khakras will be. Now I have rolled the khakra as thin as possible. Take a lid which has sharp edges and then place it on the rolled khakra and press a little so that you get a nice circular shape and remove the extra edges. Now you can see a perfect circular khakra is formed. Gently demold it. Let's prepare similar khakras. Now let's roast them. Heat a pan on low flame and start roasting the khakra. Do not allow the khakra to puff up. As soon as it shows some bubbles, you start pressing them. This step makes the khakra more crispier. Keep pressing and keep moving the khakra. It takes around 3 to 5 minutes for a khakra to be roasted completely. As soon as bubbles are seen, press them gently and then keep rolling it on the pan. Now let's roast it on the other side. Repeat the same process on the other side as well. The more you press, the crispier the khakra becomes. Now we are almost done in roasting the khakra. You can see the khakra is slightly lifted up on the pan. And it has become crispier. At this stage, you will come to know your khakra is nicely roasted. Our tasty ragi pudina khakra is ready to be served. Enjoy this healthy ragi pudina khakra, which is light on tummy, super crispier and taste delicious with mint or pudina chutney or even tomato ketchup or pickles. This can be served as snack in any time of the day. Try this out and share your experience. Thank you for watching my channel. Check and subscribe my channel for more recipes.